So today we're just going to be creating this cute little Be Mine Valentine's Day card. So to do this project, we'll just need to grab a few things, just some cardstock in the colors that you like. I've just got normal cardstock as well as this shiny card, which is a bit thicker. I'm going to use that, and some glue and a pre-folded card. If you don't have one of those, it does come with a template that you can cut out for yourself. So we jump over to Design Space and we can upload the file. Now there's not a lot you need to do with this. It comes in the layers all in the one. So if you just click on group, you will see the layers. But what I want to do is, before we do anything, I just need to change the size. So I just want to change it to 14.5 because that fits better on the 30 by 30 cardstock. So all the layers are here under each other. So unless you want to change the colors or do anything, there's not really a lot you need to do. So we can just go and cut it out. So you'll see the different layers here. Now these two, even though it's not quite white, I do want that to be white on the white cardstock as well. So I'll just change that to the different matte, pop it there, and then they'll cut out on the same page. So all these are cut from regular cardstock, but this one I'm going to cut from the thicker cardstock. So I'll just need to change the setting when we come to that. So let's just go and cut it out. Now I do like to use this setting. They've changed it a little bit recently, just medium cardstock, but it does 2 passes. So I find that gives a cleaner cut. So we'll just go cut out those first layers. And once we've done that, we'll go to the 4th layer there, and we'll just need to change that because it needs to be a deeper cut. So I'm just going to change that to glitter cardstock. Also does 2 passes, but will be a better cut for the thicker card. So once we've got all of the layers all cut out, just be careful not to lose anything because there's quite a few small little pieces. But we'll just get this organized, ready to stick together. So I'm just going to stick this red layer to the bottom piece. So I'll just do that with the glue. And add those 2 layers together. And once we've done that, I'm just going to place all the pieces on where they need to go, just so we get them in the right spot. Make sure we haven't lost anything. And don't forget the tiny heart. So once we've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and stick them all on. Now with this top frame, I'm just going to put some 3-dimensional tape on that one, just to give it a little bit of a lift. Just makes it look a bit like it's framing the actual card. So just put these on. You don't need a lot, just enough to sort of give it a bit of dimension. And then we'll pop that one on the front. And there's our top layer done. So now we just need to stick the back onto the folded card. there's our card all finished. Perfect. It's a great little Valentine's gift. We've got the gold for the locket and the key. Super cute. Bit of dimension on the frame. Great little Valentine's gift. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me today, and we'll see you again next time for more crafty adventures.